Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you are watching DigiTwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix desktop icon missing on Mac. So if all your desktop files folders have suddenly disappeared, don't worry, they usually have not been deleted. In most cases, this happens because the show item setting has been turned off in desktop and dock, and macOS lets you decide whether the desktop icon should appear during normal desktop use while using Stage Manager or in both situations. If one or both of these options is disabled, your desktop may appear completely empty even though all your files are still safely stored on your Mac. So before assuming your files are lost, it's worth checking this setting first because it's one of the most common reasons desktop icons disappear unexpectedly. So to start with, first click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock. And now in Desktop and Stage Manager section, under Show Items, you'll see two check boxes, On Desktop and In Stage Manager. If your desktop icons are missing during normal Mac use, make sure on desktop, and as you can see here, as soon as I check on desktop and when Stage Manager is disabled, the missing items are start appearing on desktop. And if you are using Stage Manager and want your desktop items to remain visible there as well, then make sure to check the box previous to in Stage Manager. And if only one of these options is enabled, your desktop icons may appear in one mode but remain hidden in other. So choose the combination that matches the way you use your Mac, and as soon as you enable the appropriate option, your desktop files and folders should immediately appear again without restarting your Mac. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.